Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name remains Chinenye Eze. Today I'm just going to be sharing with you what's been happening with me lately and why exactly you haven't been seeing me in the past few months. I'm really so sorry. I missed you guys so much and I didn't intend to stay this long, but it just happened. But I'm just going to be sharing with you exactly what happened and why I have not been showing up. But I'm back. That's the good news. If you're new here, my name is Chineye and I share everything about navigating life in the UK, especially as an immigrant. If this resonates with you, you want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment about what we're going to be talking about today, and I would see you. So, like you must have been following me already, you know that I had a baby, and yes, my baby's clocked 1 year old now. I know. I'm sorry I didn't share all of this here. I didn't intend to stay this long without showing up, and 1 week led to 2 weeks, and then months by months by months. But anyway, the good thing is that I'm back, and so what really happened? Life happened. Not in a bad way, in a positive way. My baby is 1 now, like you probably have seen if you're following me on TikTok. I'm sorry I haven't shared the updates here, but yeah, she's 1 now. My mom was here, but my mom has gone back, and then I started work and I underestimated how busy I was going to be. I felt like, oh, a second time mom, I'll be able to juggle it, but no, it was way different. And if you want to see content around this, how I struggle with childcare and how I manage with childcare, please let me know in the comment section. So my mom left, and then I went back to work, and it was so hard. The plan initially was that once my mom left, my mom-in-law was supposed to come, but due to some reasons, she wasn't able to come, and then that means that we were left stranded. And then I'm such a person that I like to plan things ahead. The nursery she's going to start next month, I had booked for it even whilst I was pregnant. So that's the kind of person I am. So I don't like surprises. I like to plan ahead. But anyways, it happened that way. It means that we needed to find alternative for where she was going to go. So we then went in search of childminders or nursery, whichever one was available. It took a while, then we managed to find a childminder, which I was very skeptical about initially, but got so good. She really enjoys going there, and sometimes when I go and pick her, she doesn't even want to leave. Can you imagine? So she's really enjoying it there. She goes there 2 to 3 times a week, depending on what our shift patterns are, and that's how we're managing it. By September, she will be starting the nursery, and then it's more easier for us to plan our childcare better, because at least we know she's going on set days and we can just stick to it. And then as regards working, I did apply for the flexible working, so that means I'm able to compress my hours, because I normally do Monday to Friday job. So I'm able to compress my hours, and then I'm able to get 1 day during the week off, which is basically for childcare. So that day she doesn't go anywhere, and I can at least stay at home with her and bond with her, and then save some money as well. So basically that's how we're managing the childcare. Juggling other things, motherhood. I have a son, like you know, so she's the second born. I have a son, a 6-year-old, who turned 7 this year, and being a wife, being a mom, being everything, and working as well has not really been easy. So I'm the type that would batch cook, so I would batch cook my meals, so that helps me a lot, because I cannot imagine coming back from work and going into the kitchen to start cooking from scratch. No way. So I would always have soup in the house, stew in the house, jollof rice and all of that, just to make my life easier. And I work a lot with routines, so I know that on set days this is what I do, on set days this is what I do. And that's how I've been managing it too. Now the mistake I made was that whilst I was on maternity leave, I'm supposed to have been batch creating content, isn't it? But I didn't do that. I thought I'll be able to do it when I go back to work with my normal routine, but no, it didn't work. And of course, as my baby is growing, she's becoming more clingy. She just wants to, once I'm around, it just has to be me. So which makes it more difficult. So like now, I'm filming this content while she's sleeping. If she's not sleeping, I can't do anything. Before I used to strap on my back. That doesn't work anymore. She knows how to wiggle her way out, so that doesn't work. If she doesn't want to be strapped on the back, she doesn't want to be strapped. So it's really been a struggle, to be honest. And of course, getting back to work after a year and all, it's not easy. So she's starting the nursery soon. Yeah, updates is going to come. I'm going to do some content around childcare options, how much it costs, and if you want to see that kind of content, let me know in the comment section as well. Basically, whatever you want to see on my channel as regards to navigating life in UK, especially as an immigrant, let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to do it. You know what, I scripted a lot of content that I was going to be doing, but no time to do it. So now I'm back and better. So we're going to be doing a lot of things around childcare struggles, options, how to manage childcare. We're going to be doing I have a lot of content that I've done around visiting visa in the UK. If you want to see that, let me know in the comment section as well. We'll be having, I don't want to spill this yet, but there's something very big coming up as well. So please stay with me. If you're my oldie, stay with me. If you're my newbie, God bless you for coming into this channel, and you will enjoy it. Just tell me what you want to see. If it has to do with what we do here, I'm gonna get it for you. So thank you guys for staying with me. And the channel did grow. Yeah, surprisingly, it did grow. We are 500 and what now? I think we're 538 as at the time of filming this video. I don't know what will be by the time you see this video, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you have been getting value, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button, please, and like this video. Like this video. I can't stress that enough. Thank you so much for everyone that has been engaging with my contents. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if you are a mom, especially an immigrant mom like me, and you're struggling with childcare and you don't know what options you have, then you want to see my next video, you don't want to miss it. I'm going to be sharing everything you need to know about childcare in the UK, the things that you are accessible to, what you are eligible to as an immigrant mom, maybe on a work visa or on a student visa or relatable visa like that. Let me know in the comment section if you've enjoyed this video and how exactly do you manage childcare in the UK. See you next week.